April 15th, 2012. I was invited to a soft opening. A friend of mine had just gotten a job there, so it was the first night they were open. When I sat at the bar, the bartender walked up to me and said, "Let me make you my favorite drink." It had a cloud of smoke coming out of it. I thought it was some kind of a magical ice cube. Took it to my mouth, took a sip. Within the 5 seconds, I lost my vision, my hearing. I had to stand up immediately because my stomach started expanding. Evidently, I passed out and hit the ground. First, they thought I was dead. When I woke up, first thing I heard was, "He's alive." I didn't know if I was poisoned. I didn't know until 30 minutes later that the drink had liquid nitrogen in it. But I had no idea what was happening to me. It was a terrifying experience. I called a friend of mine, he's a lawyer, and I said, "Look, this incident took place," and he referred me to another gentleman, and I told him in detail what had happened. And he said, "This is way above what I could do. You need somebody that can actually help you, a much bigger deal than I can." So then he gave me Mr. Bell's number. I was comfortable. I got a feeling like this was the right place. I didn't have insurance. They were able to refer me to a company that was very helpful, paid for my medical expenses. Without them, my experience would not have been the same at all. My father had passed away shortly after my injury. So the attention and the compassion that I got from Lloyd and his team were above and beyond. It's bad enough that you get injured and you don't have any answers and you're in pain. You definitely need people on your side, and they were definitely the right help to have. Very few people do their job properly, the way it's supposed to be, to the point of perfection. Lloyd and his team were definitely meant to be people that help others in a situation like this. You will not be able to find anybody else that would provide anything close to the same attention and compassion and deliver a result that ultimately might make it whole for you again, just like it did me.